Oh, hey. What you making?
I am making my smoothie, the smoothie that I make every day, most every day, but you get half of it too.
The delicious morning breakfast superfood smoothie.
You got it, a
Okay.
healthy smoothie.
Okay.
And, so
What's in it?
I've never really showed you how to make this, so you came down at a perfect time.
Right. Well, if you get COVID and have to go in a hospital, then I'll have to know how to make the smoothie.
That's right. Hopefully that won't happen.
That's not going to happen.
Because I make the smoothie, and the smoothie keeps you healthy, and supposedly the odds of getting COVID are decreased if you eat the right foods and exercise.
And vitamin C.
And vitamin C.
Vitamin C. Be healthy.
All right, so let's get to it. I have all the ingredients here just to make it easy. This is a real fast way to get something healthy and nutritious when you're heading out in the morning. I'm putting in a banana, but before I put that in, I have half a cup of organic oats, and those go in first. And then I just simply break up this banana into pieces and put it in the bottom.
Ouch! Oh!
As you can see, we have lots of bananas. We do a lot with bananas.
Well, because I do an evening smoothie that requires frozen bananas, which I'll do on another day.
That's right.
And we were out of frozen bananas, so I had to get some.
So then after the oats and bananas, the one ingredient I don't have out is the frozen berries. I usually use blueberries or blackberries because I love berries, so I'm gonna grab those. One of the bags is almost empty, so I usually use about a cup of berries. I'm going to eyeball this.
Well, this seems very much like an eyeball recipe.
It is. You can, I mean, once you make it a few times, you can easily eyeball it. You just don't want to get the NutriBullet too full, because then it spills over and becomes really messy. All right, so it's time to open up a new bag, and these are wild blueberries, because I try to do this smoothie as natural as possible.
Well, hello.
Agatha, you really like what's going on over here, don't you?
Dude, you like what's
Yeah?
going on? Okay.
Okay, that should do it. Covering up the bananas.
The bananas?
The bananas underneath, I usually cover them with the berries.
Oh, okay.
And I eyeball it.
Oh. Okay.
All right, so then next is one of those superfoods, spinach. And I usually use about a cup, but again, I'm not going to want to overflow or put too much in here so that it overflows. So it's probably about a half a cup to cup. And then two other ingredients that I've recently started adding are flax seeds, and that's about 1/8 of a cup. And then coconut, unsweetened coconut. I tend to eat more vegan-like, so I don't get a lot of animal protein fat. So this is a way to get some vegetable fat and flavor for those of you who love coconut, but you don't have to do this. It's about a tablespoon. And other than that, at this point, I use almond milk, soy milk, you know, whatever non-dairy product. You could use water. That's an option.
I don't like it with water.
Some people use milk, but that goes in last. And again, I'm so used to eyeballing it, I'm gonna add a little bit more of the milk and maybe a little water here. I'll add a little bit more milk just to top it off. I don't want it to be too full, but that's about it. So maybe 1.5 cups is more accurate. And we put the cover on.
which is
Shake it up a little bit.
which is actually the blender part.
That's right. This NutriBullet has been awesome. One thing we've had to do is replace these tops, which you can easily do when they stop working by ordering them online. We order them on Amazon. We've got a couple of them, but the NutriBullet itself lasts a long time. Well, it would help if it's plugged in. Up a little bit, get the stuff from the top. Now, one thing that's important with this recipe is that you make sure it's well blended because the oats aren't cooked. So I'm going to just turn it on one more time because I can see it looks like it needs a little bit more. The reason I add oats is because it's a great source of fiber and also protein, because I don't eat a lot of animal protein and I do need a lot of fiber. It adds that to the smoothie and voila, it is done. And I will pour mine. And then Marcus gets the leftovers.
I don't mind the leftovers.
And he usually just drinks it right without the cover on, right out of this smoothie container. However, you can take this and go.
A smoothie on the go.
Here you go.
Well, thank you.
All right. It's really good. I love it. I drink it every day, and it fills me up and gives me the nutrients I need. It does give you a mustache, though.
Delicious.